English cooking phrases explained. Bring to a boil. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's common in cooking contexts. Bring to a boil. If you love cooking or just want to understand English recipes better, this video is for you. Bring to a boil is a phrase used in cooking that means to heat a liquid until it starts to bubble and steam vigorously. This is a basic cooking technique used in various recipes, from soups to pasta. It's important to distinguish this from just heating the liquid. Boiling involves a specific temperature where the liquid moves and bubbles actively. When you bring something to a boil, you typically start with a cold or room temperature liquid. You then heat it over a stove or another heat source. As the temperature rises, you'll notice small bubbles forming at the bottom of the pot, which is the beginning of the boiling process. Once these bubbles rise to the surface and the liquid starts to move and steam, it has reached a boiling point. In recipes, bring to a boil is often followed by additional instructions like reduce to a simmer or boil for 10 minutes. Understanding this phrase helps you follow these instructions accurately, ensuring your dish turns out as intended. For example, in a recipe for pasta, you would bring water to a boil before adding the pasta, ensuring it cooks properly. There are different levels of boiling, such as a rolling boil and a gentle boil. A rolling boil is when the water is boiling vigorously with lots of large bubbles, commonly used for cooking pasta. A gentle boil has smaller, less vigorous bubbles, often used for simmering sauces or soups. And that's all about bring to a boil. We hope this video helps you understand this common cooking term and makes following English recipes easier. Happy cooking, and see you in our next video.